Want to automate your OneDrive backups and ensure consistent protection? With Veeam, you can securely back up your OneDrive content and restore it when needed. Let's walk through how to use Veeam to back up your OneDrive files on Windows. Begin by downloading the Veeam agent for Microsoft Windows from the official Veeam website. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. Once installed, open the application from your desktop on the Start menu. In the Veeam interface, click on Create New Backup Job. Choose a descriptive name for a backup and click Next. Under the File section, navigate to your OneDrive folder and then select all the subfolders or specific files that you want to include in the backup. Choose a backup destination. This can be an external hard drive or another location on your PC. Then set a backup schedule, daily, weekly, or custom. Click Finish and select Run the job when I click Finish to begin your first backup. With Veeam, your OneDrive files are now reliably protected with automated backups. A smart step for long-term data peace of mind. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.